Hi, this is Jim from Solutions Point. Now, I am going to explain you PHP constants. Okay, what is PHP constants? A constant is a name or an identifier for a value. A constant value cannot be modified throughout the execution of the script. By default, a constant name is case sensitive, but if we want to use as case insensitive, then we need to add one more function parameter, true or false, in define function as below syntax. As per rule, constant names are always uppercase, but we can use lowercase. By default, constants are global throughout the whole script. A constant name begins with a letter or underscore, followed by any number of numbers, letters or underscores. To define a constant, you must need to use define function, and to retrieve the value of a constant, you can just specify its name. This is the syntax. Example for case insensitive constant name. I am going to explain how this works. This is the define function. Here this is constant name. This is the value of constant. This is case insensitive parameter that may be true or false. If we use true, case insensitive constant name, it will display or it will print out without any error. If we will make it false, then this echo statement will not work and give error as undefined constant. Okay, now I am going to explain case sensitive constant name. Okay, let's take an example. Save this, go to a browser, refresh. First one is echoed without any error, but second one is echoed because here in define function case insensitive parameter is not there. Only we have defined name of constant and the value of constant. Okay, that's why it is showing error. Next, I am now going to explain constants are global. Use of constant inside a function. Okay, we can access the constants inside a function. Let's take an example. Save this, refresh. This is the total. Okay, save this, refresh. It is showing output without any error because we have defined the constant here. This is function myCity. $city is BBSR, return $city. We are calling the function here. Outside the function it is printing. Okay, it is printing the statement, that is value of constant. You can also use the function constant to read constant's value if you wish. To get constant's name dynamically, constant function can be used to read constant's value. constant function. Now I am going to discuss about constant functions. Constant function returns value of the constant. I am taking an example. Save this, refresh here, give a break, line break, save this. Okay. Constant function returns value of the constant. Okay. So here we defined a constant Hari with value 50. We are printing Hari. It is printing fine, that 50. Again we are printing as calling the constant function, constant by name of the constant. This will also output same as previous line. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. For more, subscribe us.